Note taking has come a long way, and today we have the 5 best note taking apps for Android. So, let's get started. I want to start with a full on productivity app titled Logseq. Logseq has been developed to write your daily thoughts and journal notes. First and foremost, it has a Journals tab to write your daily diary. Opening this tab will automatically insert today's date. Type whatever you want here. Then is its journal note keeping. Let me explain how it works. Logseq uses blocks, so every line has a bullet point. We can indent the following block to write a sub-block. Using the same method, we can create a hierarchy of notes. I'll also talk about its knowledge graph that visualizes the project and shows connections between pages. This graph helps see what tasks are linked or who has connections to what task. The graph can also show any present issues or any problems that may come in the future. Logseq is an offline app that saves notes on your phone, so it's perfect for individuals. The only problem is that the app is not yet available on Google Play, so we must download it from the website. Next is the simplest note-taking app on the planet. Google Keep is best for diaries, thoughts, addresses, numbers, and grocery lists. It doesn't offer much, which is why it's perfect if you want something minimal. It supports text and checkmark notes. However, only one is supported in a single note. In a text note, we can add headings, boldness, italics, and underlines. Adding images and audio is also possible. It uses your Google account so you can access notes on any platform. It also supports collaboration, but that's not its strong suit. It is made for individuals and should be used like that. Drawing is also part of Google Keep, but that's also not one of its main features. For someone looking for something simple with a flat learning curve, Google Keep is ideal. You might have heard about Obsidian note-taking. It's an offline app, but it's called a second brain. It can be used to store simple notes, project documents, daily journals, and so on. Its text editor is simple, which is perfect for quick notes. However, its knowledge graph is what makes it a powerful thought processing program. We talked about the graph in Logseq, but Obsidian has a more advanced graph to visualize connections between notes. Suppose you are a student, you can create projects for each subject and link lectures, practicals, and assignments together. Then you can use the knowledge graph to see what lectures are linked to what assignments and tasks. I have a website and I link articles that are relevant. Linking notes helps us see relevancy and also helps us find any problems that are extremely difficult to see. It does not support syncing between devices, but simple ways are available to set up syncing manually. The next app I have is the most complex program in the note-taking universe. Notion is one of those apps that try to do everything from note-keeping to project management to database management to spreadsheet management. It's a block-based app where each line is a new block. What's interesting is that it supports over 50 block types. Those range from text to images to videos to app embeds. This gives you the power to add whatever you imagine. But that's not the most complex part. Notion has blocks in which we can add other blocks. For example, in a calendar block, we can add a new page for each day and then add data to that block. This block in block feature makes Notion a powerful database management program. Notion also has views to see notes from other angles. Suppose you have a list with a date column. You can convert this list into a calendar and see each data on a set date. I haven't even talked about the AI to generate text. Notion AI costs money, but can be used for free temporarily. Lastly, the app supports collaboration and up to 10 users can join your workspace for free. Notion is an all-in-one program with a steep learning curve, but that may make it less appealing to some. The last on this list is Samsung Notes. The app is advertised for phones with a stylus, which is true. If you have a pen, Samsung Notes is cool. However, the app is completely free and has almost all the options that we find in apps like OneNote and Evernote. We have the essential text formatting options and it supports adding images, PDF documents, audio recordings, and drawings. Its PDF importer is great if you want to draw or sign a PDF and then save it as PDF because the app can export notes in multiple formats. Collaboration is also a part of Samsung Notes, but only between Samsung Galaxy devices. Another problem is that the app is only available on Android devices. So if you want an app to sync between your Android and PC, then you should try a different program. I use it to draw sometimes, and I also use it for groceries. Anyway, this is it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please let me know which is your favorite below, and take care.